Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix this error on your Steam sign-in, error E87. Let's begin. First, go to your Windows Start menu over here and then just look for Steam application. Right-click and choose Open File Location. Then Steam will automatically be highlighted. Right-click on it, go to Properties, and then this section, Target, I want you to copy this, all right? Control C on your keyboard, and then close that, minimize this window, and then go back to your Windows Start menu, type Run, all right? Click on this, and just replace this with what we just copied earlier. And then at the end, just type in space slash repair. Then Steam application will automatically appear or open on the repair mode. But however, if this still doesn't work, what you can do is you actually need to do a fresh reinstall. It actually fixed their issues right away. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.